Hello. Today's video will be very interesting. You cannot find this type of valuable information on the internet. You saw from the thumbnail that this is all about how to choose a lane in a roundabout, or how to decide which lane you want to drive in a complicated roundabout. I suggest you should watch this video very carefully in every part of it to get a very good idea of how roundabouts are managed on motorways or on highways, where the speed limits is generally high. It is a situation like this that you can encounter while driving in European countries, European motorways, European countries like Sweden, Norway, Finland, Denmark, Germany, France, or you can name any other European countries. So this particular roundabout is present in Sollentuna, Stockholm, Sweden, and if anyone is preparing for their driving test there, that is called Körprov eller Körkort or uppkörning in Sollentuna. Check in the end screen to watch a full video where you can observe this particular roundabout and how one can drive through this type of complicated roundabout. So, welcome to Key to DL, means Key to Driving License, or Success towards Driving License. And let's now move on to the question for today. Read the question very carefully. Which lane should I choose if I am planning to take route number 265? And this particular question is not only helps you to preparing theory questions in driving, but also for a final road test in driving. Just let us take a moment to discuss the different traffic signs you can see on the overhead board before we answer these questions. As you are on a high speed road here, you will only have few seconds or couple of seconds to see and understand all the traffic signs on this board. These roads are generally busy with a lot of traffic. If there is a heavy truck or heavy vehicles going in front of you, you may not see these signs as well. So just remember, you have to see quickly and decide the lane as soon as possible. Just you have to be in a little bit hurry to see, and you have to be scan all the signboard, all the signs. Decide very quickly to go to which lane, like lane 1 you should enter or lane 2 you can go. So one question, what happens if you choose the wrong lane? Both the lane, there is not wrong lane, you can go to either of the lane, but if you choose a wrong lane, or nothing serious happened, but if you do this in a driving test, then you may fail, or you can drive another 12 to 15 kilometers to get another big roundabout and come back again. Because when you make a mistake in this type of roundabout, you will not get anywhere else, because you cannot in the motorways you cannot go to take left turns and then come back again, or right turn come back again. So you have to go drive another 12 kilometers or 13 kilometers, you take an exit and then come back again to the same place, because this is the place you cannot afford to make mistake in lane selection or go in the different or wrong direction. So when you see this green board, it means you are near to European motorways, or you are already on European motorways, or you will be soon connected to either highways or motorways. You can see here there are two lanes to enter in this roundabout. Lane 1, it is just randomly named. Right side lane is lane 1 and left side lane is lane 2. Lane 1 and lane 2. This is also visible from the overhead signboards with direction signs. So from the right lane or lane 1, you can go to all the 3 exits in this roundabout: exit 1, exit 2 and exit 3. However, from the inner lane or lane 2, you can only go to the 3rd exit. You cannot go to the first exit or second exit. You can only go to the second exit. That is the basic rules here. If you see the signboard and direction sign from the first lane or outside lane, you can go to all three exit 1, exit 2, exit 3. But from the inner lane or inside lane or lane 2 here, you can go only to the exit number 3. So from lane 1, you can go to all the places mentioned here in this board in the right side of the direction sign, such as E18, Nortel G, Nortel G, Tabi, as well as route number 265. Whereas from the lane 2, you can go to E4, E18, if you are going to airport, Häggvik, also Norrviken. So if you want to go to or plan to go towards airport or E4 or E18 Vänster, you can choose any lane. Both lane 1 and lane 2 are okay to take if you are planning to go to E4 or E18 or airport. But if you are going to according to the question, if you are going to route number 265, you have to choose lane number 1. Now coming to the answer to the lane number 1, coming to the answer of the question, which lane should I choose if I am planning to go to the route number 265, and your answer is choose lane number 1 or choose outer lane to go to route number 265. So if the question is which lane to choose if I am planning to go to Tabi also, then you have to choose lane number 1, not lane number 2, or it is the outer lane to choose to go towards Tabi. So if the question is which lane to choose if you are going to airport here in these situations, so you can choose any lane. Lane 1 is going towards the airport and lane 2 also to go to airport. So and now the question is which lane to choose if you go to the Häggvik or if you go to the Norrviken. So can you go to inner lane or left lane or lane 2, or you go to the outer lane, lane 1? And this is the question for this today's video, and you have to answer me in this comment section. So if you are going towards the Häggvik, or if you are going towards Norrviken, then which lane you are going to choose, lane 1 or lane 2, or any of the lane is okay to choose. I hope this video is valuable for all of you, those who are planning to take driving test, and you get a clear idea about complicated roundabouts and lane selection. See the video in the I button to watch all the signboards and how to handle this type of roundabout. And also don't forget, I repeat, don't forget to like. This encourages us to make new video. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to see more conceptual driving related videos, and I wish you all the best for your driving test anywhere in the European countries or USA, Canada, Australia, wherever you are watching. Lycka till, all the best for your körprov. See you in another interesting video soon. Hej då, bye bye.